Here's how you can participate in pre-sales on Gems Launchpad using your credit points. Head over to gems.vip and click Connect Wallet at the top of the page. Don't forget, Credit Refund is only available to wallet addresses that have participated in previous private sales. Click on your connected wallet to reveal the drop-down menu. Then click Credit Refund. Make sure you have credits you can use. Then scroll down to the Buy with Credits section, where all the participating projects are listed, and click Buy Now below the project you wish to use your credits for. Enter the amount of credits you wish to spend. Then click Buy. Complete the transaction in your connected wallet. Looking good! You have successfully used your credit points to participate in a sale on Gems Launchpad. Remember, credit refunds are only available to Gems Premium members.